Mason, it's come to my knowledge that you are experiencing what all young men call puberty. Well, I've never talked about this with anybody, so I'm going to use the terminology they use, the birds and the bees. No, Mason, you can't go looking for birds. No, Mason, you're not going to go outside chasing birds or squirrels. No, Mason, you're not going to do it, okay? You might as well forget it. You're not going to mess with me, young man. You might as well forget it. That's it. That's it, you're grounded. You're grounded. Go to your cage, young man.